today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this bracelet. And this bracelet is called the Sail Up bracelet. And I just want to say Happy New Year's. I hope to be trying to stay consistent on most of my videos. So yeah, I just thought I'd point that out. And it was named by @MDL_Looms on Instagram. All his links to his accounts will be in the description box down below, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. And if you make this bracelet, be sure to use the hashtags #SailUpBracelet and #Minion Loomer. And be sure to tag me on Instagram so I can see your guys' rendition. So without further ado, let's get started with the materials you will be needing to make this design. Materials you'll be needing are a metal tip crochet hook. So here I have this double-ended crochet hook. You will also be needing some bands. Today I'm using white opaque, the electric glow purple bands, and neon green bands. And I will be making a rendition exactly like this one, but I might rearrange the green and the purple bands, so I might flip-flop them around. So without further ado, and you will also be needing a C-clip to close your design off. And without further ado, let's get started with making this design. So to get started, we are going to first start off with a 10-loop setup. So to do that, just take a band and twist it on your hook so that there's a figure 8. Take another band, slide it through this capping band, and simply reclaim this cap band. So you should have 4 loops on your hook. Then you're going to take another band and just slide it through the first 2 loops and reclaim the outside band. Then you are going to take another band and slide it through the first 2 loops and just reclaim the outside band. Then we are going to do that once more on this side. So you should have 5 loops on this side, and we are now going to flip our hook around, and then we are going to take another white band and slide it through the first 2 loops, and make sure that these 2 bands aren't out of their places. So if they are, you'll notice it being the cap band is in front of this band, so just go ahead and fix that. Then take a single band, slide it through the first 2 loops, and reclaim the outside band. And you're going to do that 2 more times. So slide it through the first 2, reclaim the outside band, and then just do that once more. So now you should have a total of 10 loops on your hook. So you have, if you split it in half, it has 5 on this side and 5 on this side. So now we are going to start off with the next step. So now you are going to take this color, so this neon green color, you're going to take that color band you're going to use. And I'm using the purple this time, and I'm going to slide it. You want to slide it through the first 5 loops. Pick up bands 1, 3, and 4. Actually, sorry about that. You're going to pick up these 2 bands, so that is band number 4 and 3, and then you're going to pick up band number 1. And then rearrange this white band to the outside. Then you're going to flip it around your hook. And then you are going to take another band. So I'm going to take another band. And you're going to slide it through the first 5 loops. And go ahead and pick up band number 4, 3, and 1. And then rearrange this white band to the outside so that it looks like this. So now what you are going to do is take your next color band. And you are going to slide it through the first 8 loops. So 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you are going to pick up band number 8 right here. And then band number 6 and 5. And then you're going to pick up 3, 2, and 1. So just these outside ones. So that looks like this. Then you're going to rearrange these 2 bands and go ahead so that looks like this. And now that we've done that, we are going to go ahead and take a white band, and we are going to slide it through the first 4 loops. And then we are going to pick up band number 3, which is this green one, and band number 1. And go ahead and place this white band on your hook. Then you are going to take another white band and you're going to slide it through the first 3 loops and reclaim the outside band so that it looks like this. And then we are going to flip this around and repeat the same exact steps what we just did. So go ahead and take a white band and slide it through the first 4 loops. Pick up band number 3 and band number 1 so that it looks like this. Take another band and slide it through the first 3 loops and reclaim the outside band so that it looks like this. And this is where we are going to do that effect of the sail up portion. So in order to do that, we are going to take a white band and we're going to slide it through the first 5 loops. So 4, 5. And now that we've done that, we're going to take this purple band and attach that to our hook, and then pick up band number 3. Then you're going to take band number 3 and slide it through band number 5, just like that. And then go ahead and take this outside band, which is the first band, so that it looks like this. And then we are going to take our hook and flip our design around. So we are going to take a single band and slide it through the first 5 loops and pick up band number 5 and 3. Take band number 3 and slide it through band number 5, and then take this band number 1 and place that on our hook so that it looks like this. So now I did the first portion of the bracelet, and now we are going to repeat the same exact steps. So I will show you that once more. So you should have a total of 2, 4, 6, 8 bands on your hook. So now you're going to take a single white band, slide it through the first 2 loops, and just reclaim the outside band. So now you have 5 on this side, and then flip our hook around. Take a single white band, slide it through the first 2 loops, reclaim the outside band. So now you have a 10 loop setup, and now we are going to continue the same exact steps what we just did. So we're back to the beginning. So we are going to take our color band. So I am using this purple band here, and you're going to take that band and slide it through the first 5 loops. And then once you've done that, you're going to pick up band number 4 and 3 and then 1. So 4, 3, and 1. Take this white band and just flip it to the outside so that it looks like this. Then you're going to flip your hook around and do the same exact thing. So take a band and you're going to slide it through the first 5 loops. Pick up band number 4, 3, and 1. And then place this purple band back on your hook and rearrange this white band to the outside so that it looks like this. Then you are going to take the neon green band and then slide it on your hook. Slide it through the first 8 bands. And then we are going to pick up band number 8 and 6 and 5. And then pick up 3, 2, and 1. So now it looks like this. Take band number 1 and 2, just flip these to the outside so that it looks like this. So now we are going to take a white band and slide it through the first 4 loops and pick up band number 3 and band number 1. Then we're going to take another white band, slide it through the first 3 loops now, and just simply reclaim the outside band. Then we are going to flip this around and do that same exact step. Take a band, slide it through the first 4 loops, reclaim band number 3 and band number 1. Take a white band, slide it through the first 3 loops, reclaim the outside band. And this is where we are going to do that cool effect. So slide it through, take a single band, slide it through the first 5 loops now. Take band number 5, 3, and then you're going to take band number 3 and slide it through 5. And then pick up the outside band, or band number 1, and reclaim. Then flip and repeat. So take a white, slide it through the first 5 loops on your hook, reclaim band number 5, 3, and take 3 and slide it through 5, just like that. Then take this outside band and just place it on your hook. Then take a single band, slide it through the first 2 loops, reclaim the outside band, go ahead and flip that around and do the same exact step. So now it looks like this. You are going to go ahead and continue this bracelet till it gets to your full length of your wrist, and I will show you guys how to close it off. So now you want to stop to the portion where you have 8 loops on your hook. So you just did the sail up effect, and now we are going to I'm going to show you how to close it off. So simply you want to have 8 loops on your hook, and just take a single white band and slide it through those 8 loops and just reclaim this band on your hook. Then go ahead and take your handy dandy C-clip and just clip these 2 bands on your hook, and on the clip, and it should look like this. So this is how you make the sail up bracelet. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this bracelet, give this video a big giant thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great videos like this. And if you do subscribe to my channel, you guys can become part of the Minion Loomer squad. And if you do subscribe to my channel, you will see a little notification bell. So go ahead and turn on that bell so you guys can be notified when I post new great videos like this. So yeah, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!